Welcome to this guided meditation for relaxation and stress relief. Let's begin by finding a comfortable position, whether sitting or lying down. Gently close your eyes. Now let's focus on your breathing. Take a deep breath in through your nose, letting your belly rise as you fill your lungs completely. Feel the air filling your body. Now slowly exhale through your mouth, releasing any tension you might be holding. Let go of any stress. Let's do that again. Breathe in deeply and breathe out slowly. Feel the calmness wash over you. One more time. Inhale deeply, feeling the cool air enter your body. Embrace the tranquility and exhale, allowing yourself to relax a little more with each breath. Notice the relaxation spreading. Feel your shoulders drop, your jaw soften, and your body grow heavier with relaxation. You are now ready to begin this journey of peace. Now bring your attention to the top of your head. Notice any tension there and imagine it dissolving away like a mist in the morning sun. Next, move your awareness to your forehead and your eyes. Let them soften. Allow your face to relax completely. Now bring your focus to your neck and shoulders. If you feel tightness here, imagine it melting away with each breath. Shift your awareness to your chest and arms. Feel them growing lighter and more at ease. Move down to your abdomen. Let go of any tightness or knots, and notice how your stomach rises and falls with each breath. Now, focus on your legs, from your thighs to your knees, your calves, and all the way down to your feet. Imagine any tension flowing out through your toes and into the earth. Finally, feel your entire body completely relaxed, as if you're floating on a cloud. Now imagine yourself in a beautiful, serene place. Take a deep breath and let the tranquility wash over you. Picture yourself walking along a quiet beach at sunrise. Feel the serenity of the early morning. The sand beneath your feet is soft and warm, and you can hear the gentle waves lapping against the shore. Let the sound soothe your mind. A light breeze brushes against your skin, carrying with it the soothing scent of the ocean. Breathe in deeply and feel the freshness. Look around you. Notice the colors of the sky, a blend of soft pinks and oranges as the sun begins to rise. Let the beauty fill your senses. Feel the calmness of this place wrapping around you like a comforting embrace. Allow yourself to be enveloped in peace. Each step you take on this peaceful beach helps you feel lighter, more grounded, and deeply at ease. Embrace the tranquility with every breath. As you continue to walk along this serene beach, feel the tranquility around you. Now repeat these affirmations in your mind. I am calm, I am safe. With each breath, I let go of all stress and tension. Take a deep breath in, feeling the peaceful energy of this place filling your body. And as you breathe out, release anything that no longer serves you. Say to yourself, I deserve peace. Feel this affirmation resonate within you. I am relaxed and at ease. Embrace this feeling. I carry this calm with me throughout my day. Let it guide you. Take one last deep breath in and feel the serenity. And as you exhale, slowly begin to bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes, feeling the surface beneath you. Ground yourself. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Welcome back. Thank yourself for taking this time to relax and care for your well-being. Namaste.